The Choose Your Own Air exhibition web interface is a history-telling tool that explores the relationship between medical and architectural discourses through a historical lens. Designed to function as a curated database of artifacts sourced primarily from the Canadian Centre for Architecture's collection, its aim is to entice public discussion on the relationship between health and the city of today. The interactivity of the Choose Your Own Air project supplements the CCA's Fall 2011 exhibition entitled Imperfect Health. Upon accessing the web application, the user is prompted to become a curator or an exhibition viewer. As a curator, the user is confronted with a cloud of 100 artifacts that reveal a conception of air while simultaneously engaging with architectural and health discourses. Among other media, photographs, trade pamphlets, architectural publications, and ventilation diagrams are featured. When the curatorial process begins, the user is asked to select an artifact that highlights a contemporary issue about air. Once this choice is made, the user must select an artifact that locates itself at the beginning of the narrative he or she will be constructing. The first and last artifact selected, the user is guided through a series of steps that allow them to curate a small exhibition about air that considers contradiction and changing meanings as a starting point for critical exploration. Each selected artifact is accompanied by a brief descriptive text that locates it at an interface between health and the built environment. When the user becomes familiar with the artifact, he or she may choose from an action that will link the narrative sequence to another item. The actions that are highlighted each step of the way are treated as artifacts themselves, words whose meanings change according to their time and context. This process undergoes 6 stages until an exhibition of 8 artifacts is curated. When a history is fully constructed, the user may add a curatorial statement that will be archived along with the exhibition in an online database. The user may now curate again, browse the cloud, or access the exhibition database. Using the browse function, the user is allowed to independently explore the artifacts that have been curated in the cloud. Items may be reconfigured according to chronology, scale, and medium. Let's explore the cloud. The exhibition database is an archive of the histories created using the Choose Your Own Air interface. In this database, the 100 artifacts from the cloud are reconfigured into an endless series of exhibitions of 8 objects each. Users may locate exhibitions that interest them and explore their narrative sequences. Featuring curatorial statements by previous users, the archive is intended to highlight the idea of contradictions and changing meanings in the construction of histories, becoming a forum for public conversation.